Hello.
How you doing?
I'm doing great. About to cook up a sandwich. I'm gonna pour out all that ice, man. When I say ice, I meant water. Okay. Let's get our cheese out.
Are you doing your TikTok video?
Yeah, it's a TikTok video, yeah.
What's your name so I can look you up when I get home?
It's Michael Hickey.
Michael Hickey.
Michael Hickey.
Oh, Hickey.
Hickey. You can come say hi.
Sure.
Yeah.
Y'all want some old lady saying hi?
Yeah. Who wouldn't want to see it? There it is.
Hey!
They're called chat, so say hi, chat.
Hi, chat. We in Fort Walton Beach. It's beautiful. Happy cooking. I like your little deal.
Yeah, we're about to cook up an egg sandwich. It's just quick and easy.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's a beautiful day out.
It sure
I'm about
is.
to go sit at the beach after I eat this.
I heard that. Well, I'm going to look you up.
All right, Michael Hickey. Remember,
All right, I'll
it's
look you.
Facebook, TikTok, whatever you got.
I got both.
All right,
All right, my Marianne Moore, so.
Marianne Ward, Michael Hickey.
But
Nice to
on
meet you.
TikTok, I'm Boo Boo.
You're Boo Boo.
That's what my grandkids call me.
All right, Boo Boo.
Have a good one. All right,
Thank
nice
you.
meeting you.
Yeah, God bless.
Bless you.
W interaction. Pretty good, aren't you?
Alright. You got a full setup over there.
W Boo Boo. Do you have any aspirations for something new to travel or camp in? Yeah, I want to camp in. I wanted to camp in like a SUV or something along those lines. Definitely something bigger. SUV or van. That's the next upgrade. After that, then what's good?
I do my own in the interrupt.
No, you're good. What's good?
Just admiring your little setup here.
Of course. Come say hi. Come say what's up.
Yeah. How you doing, man?
Pretty good. Pretty good.
Pleasure to meet you.
Michael, what's your name?
Ryan.
Ryan. Nice to meet you. man.
Yes, sir. You live or?
Yeah, I'm live. You can say what's up.
Hey, how y'all doing out there?
We call him chat. You can say, hey, chat.
Chad?
Oh crap, I didn't mean to close my trunk. But yeah, so we got a Coleman camp stove, butane. About to cook up an egg sandwich, you already know.
Oh, my. Yeah, you got the whole works going on over here.
Yes, sir. We cook up all types. We cook dinner, all that.
Oh, yeah. That's what's up. Are you like off-grid or?
Well, I got a bed in the car, so I mean, I try to be off grid, but I normally sleep at like Cracker Barrels, Walmart parking lots, just like travel around the U.S. and do stuff like that. But what do you mean by off grid? Like just?
Well, I'm kind of like almost doing the same thing like you.
Yeah.
But I'm not this. I haven't gotten to myself to like getting the cooking gear on, and I just literally just started. I'm from Maryland. When I left Maryland, it was snowing and it was like negative degree, in the low teens. It was cold.
Oh wow! And
So
you were just on your 2 feet or what? Like, do you have a car? Or?
Yeah, I hopped in my car and I drove to Key West.
Yeah,
which
Key
was
West.
Like 2 weeks ago.
Yo, Key West is beautiful.
Oh my
How
God.
was it? How was it?
Yeah, it was amazing, man. It was definitely worth the trip.
Yeah.
Trust me, and
How did you feel driving across like the 7 Mile Bridge?
Man, it was amazing.
It was I was kind of scared the first time I did it. I was like, I hope this bridge doesn't like fall or
the
something.
wind,
Yeah, the
like
wind.
blows and
The wind was
nah,
crazy.
yeah. But it was definitely a nice experience, man. I wouldn't mind doing it again. I'm actually looking forward to going back down to the Keys, because I feel like I didn't get to spend enough time while I was there, because it's just so, It's so much to see, so much, you know, it's so
I know,
beautiful.
right?
Man.
I wanted to rent a moped when I was down there. I saw everybody on a moped.
Yeah,
And I was like, I need one of those now.
Yeah.
Or
What I was thinking
at
is
least a bike.
getting the electrical bike. Get
Yes.
myself an electrical bike.
Yes. Which car do you got?
I got the Camry right there.
Is that limousine tints?
No, that's my own tints. It's actually my windows are not tinted. I need to tint my windows.
Yeah, I got the 5%. No one's seeing through
Oh,
here.
yeah.
But
yeah.
on top of that, I also have like what's it called? Window covers. Do you got window covers?
Yeah, well, that's kind of like what I got on it right now.
Oh, that's like shades, basically.
Yeah.
Yes.
But, yeah, I'm kind of doing the same thing you're doing, cause
Are you doing content? I saw you with the tripod. Were you
oh,
just
yeah,
taking some pictures or
yeah,
what?
I was doing my own little personal videos, you know. I got my own little Facebook and stuff that, you know, I do my own little thing.
I mean, people love like the traveling and like just like solo traveling. Where's your next destination? Going back home, or are you gonna continue the journey?
No, I'm not going back home, man. I made it this far, and I'm thinking like eventually I want to find my way over to San Francisco and Cali.
Yes.
So I'm trying to go all the way along the coast till I get there.
That's my plan too.
Oh,
that's my plan too. I'm supposed to be in California in April. So.
Oh, shit! Nice.
Yeah. Did you go to Miami when you were down there? When you were down in the Keys?
Oh, for sure. On my way back up from the Keys, I stopped in Miami. I stopped in.
How was that? What happened in Miami? You do any like partying and go to the club or?
Oh, nah. Well, not really, cause I mean, don't be like me anymore. I got 4 DUIs, so I can't. I can't drink and I can't do none of that partying and stuff no more. So
I quit drinking a year ago. So we're holding strong.
Yes. It's been a challenge because I'm accustomed, drinking and stuff.
Yes, sir.
That was a part of my life, but unfortunately, I can't afford to drink anymore.
Yeah, I understand.
The next one is jail time straight. I ain't trying to go down that road. I like my freedom out here.
At least you still got your car, right? You're still driving. You're still on the road.
We're still on the road.
Yeah, that's a blessing in itself, right there. Bro.
Yeah, man.
So where's your next destination? You said?
I'm thinking I might head to Arizona, Tucson, Arizona.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. When I leave here, I'm head to Tucson for a couple of days, and then after Tucson, I might stop in San Antonio though. I might stop in San Antonio and check it out, see how it goes.
Yeah.
But I'm actually just blowing with the breeze, man.
Bro, same here. That's the best way to do it.
Yeah.
That's the best way to do it.
Yeah, it's like nothing planned, it's just wherever the wind blows me, that's where I'm gonna be at.
Hell yeah, I love that type of mindset, bro. That's the best mindset to have. It's like it relieves a lot of stress.
Yeah.
It relieves a lot of stress.
Definitely.
It's like I don't know the word.
One of the crazy things is that I found out, like on my journey down from Maryland to Key West. I don't know if this might be kind of weird to you, but
hey, I live in a car.
Yeah,
like
most
how weird can it get?
Most of my journey, I didn't have any music or any radio, anything playing. It was just peace and silence, and I was like, that was so much good therapy for my mind. Long journey, nothing but road, and just
you cut out all the noise. You cut out all the noise.
Yeah. It's like a good way to clear your mind. Go on and take a long drive and just no music, no nothing, just you on the road, and that's it.
Oh man, that's the way to do it, honestly.
And eventually something will start guiding you.
Facts.
Yes, sir.
All power to God on that one.
Yes, sir.
My paper towels. Oh no. But yeah, so how are you sleeping in the car? Do you just like
I kind of
back seat?
No, I kind of just rock my seat all the way back, and Make it do.
Oh, you're doing the front seat.
Yeah.
Oh,
yeah,
I see.
yeah.
I see.
How did you get your bed in there? Did you take the backrest out?
I can show you in just a second.
Okay.
Where did my paper towels go?
Oh yeah.
How did I lose those, man? It's a big roll. It takes up a lot of space. But so I took out my front seat and I took out my back seat, like the passenger side.
Yeah.
And essentially, I built a small little bed frame out of wood,
Okay.
and then put some plywood down, and put some padding on it.
Yeah.
You know, like the mats that you sleep on outside,
Yeah,
like a
like-
camping mat
yeah,
or whatever.
yeah.
So basically, I put 2 of those down, and then memory foam mattress from
Yeah,
or memory foam topper from Walmart. Fold it in half,
Yeah.
and that's what I sleep on every night. And it's pretty good.
Yeah.
It hurts your hip every once in a while, but it's just important to have something for like back support, just to be flat, like laid out.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah.
But depending on how big your car is, you could probably like fold your back seats in and like sleep into the trunk. Like depending on how big the trunk is and stuff. I've seen a lot of people do that.
I was actually thinking about taking my back seat out to be the backrest because it doesn't fold down.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was thinking about taking one side out and like doing something like stretching our bed out, but I haven't really gotten towards transforming my cars yet,
Yeah.
you know. Because I do have an RV parked up in
Maryland.
No, Daytona Beach.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
You just don't have anything to pull it, or
Yeah, well, my van, I need a new engine. My engine kind of started messing up.
shit
so-
out on you, basically.
Yeah. So now it's kind of stuck there in Daytona Beach for a little bit until I get my truck back on the road. But,
Dang, so you're everywhere. You're over there. You're in Maryland. You got a setup in Daytona. Like hell yeah. Where's the
Yeah.
RV parked? Is it in like a safe spot where it's not
yeah,
gonna
no,
take?
it's on a storage lot. It's on a storage lot.
Yeah, hell yeah.
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
And it's actually, man, it's pretty.
That's
It's
like-
pretty decent. It's only $105 a month for storage.
Wow, that's not bad at
And
all.
It's an enclosed, gated community, cameras everywhere,
Is
pretty
it-
secure.
Is that kind of like your home base? Like if you ever need to like go rest somewhere, like maybe you'll.
If I want to,
Yeah.
I could go stay at the RV anytime. I have my generator and stuff there if I need to get it up and running.
Yeah.
You know, yeah.
Hey man. So how long you been on this journey? How long you been
About
doing
2 weeks.
2
That's
weeks?
About 2 weeks.
Same, bro. I'm on day 13 right now.
Oh wow!
Yeah.
So
But I've gone on trips for like a year now. I go on like a couple month, 3-month trips, 4-month
yeah,
trips.
yeah.
But I took a long break. But we're
Yeah.
back now. We're back to making the videos, and
yeah.
it's fun. It's fun. I love it.
Yeah,
I
man.
freaking forgot to film some of this stuff, but
Oh yeah.
it's all
yeah.
good. I enjoyed the conversation. You know.
Yeah.
It's
yeah.
nice to talk to somebody out here, especially if you're solo traveling, because it gets
Yeah,
lonely.
yeah,
Like that's what I use them for. I just sit and talk to them all day.
Yeah. Is that what platform is that?
Kick.
Okay. That's what's up, man. But we out here living the life, you know what I'm
Yes.
saying?
Yes.
On the Emerald Coast,
Yeah.
baby.
What's your
It's
name? What's your
beautiful.
name?
Ryan.
Ryan on Facebook. What is it?
My Facebook name is actually Rio, REO.
REO.
Yeah, I it's kind of long, but it's basically I am the one, all in one word.
I am the one. Rio.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I tell myself I'm Neo reincarnated. Rio.
I
My
like
real
that.
name is
I like
Ryan.
that. Bro, your jewelry is crazy. You got all types of shit going on.
Oh,
That's
yeah,
dope.
yeah.
You got the crystals. You got the rocks.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I kind of rap. I made some of these myself too. Like I made
That's
this
awesome.
one. Yeah.
That's awesome,
Yes,
bro.
sir.
I
Yes,
love
sir.
that.
Yeah, man.
Wait, which one? Like the ones? Did you make this one, the star?
Yeah, I made the stuff. Not the necklace part, but I made the
Yeah.
pendant. Yeah.
Is that a Cuban
yeah.
link?
Yeah. I ordered. I just got this from Amazon.
Oh,
the
yeah?
Cuban link. It was like 35, 36 bucks on Amazon.
Hey,
But
looks dope.
if you do get one, don't wear it in the ocean when you go because the salt water kind of dulls the color out. Yeah. It lost like all this was so
Was it-
much
oh,
more
was it-
shinier. But I forgot to take it off when I went into the ocean and the salt water kind
So, question: what are you doing for like cooking food and showering?
I actually have a Planet Fitness. You know, I use the gym. I use the shower at the gym.
Smart.
And
So do I.
you know, they have like the world. You know, you could use the Planet Fitness, the Black Card membership, and you could go to anywhere in the U.S. So
Same
far, that's my form of taking. And I get the workout for a little bit. Use the massage chair.
Oh, yeah.
You get all the good perks. So.
The massage bed, the lay down water massage.
The
Bro.
hydrojet, yeah.
Almost every day.
Man, yeah,
Like, especially if you're sleeping in the car, you wake up, go get a hydro massage. You're just a new man after that.
Back to normal again, yeah.
But
So
what about for cooking?
Cooking wise, and that's the crazy thing, and this is what drew me to you, is because I love to cook. You know, and I haven't been cooking much. I've just been eating out, like, you know, whatever I see, I've just been stopping and eating. But now that I see your setup here, you know, I need to upgrade. I need to upgrade and get myself back cooking again.
This thing is $20 at Walmart.
Oh, yeah.
And then you just fill it with butane.
Oh,
But yeah. Get you a pan. Everyone keeps telling me to get a non-stick pan, but I've heard it's toxic.
Oh yeah, I've heard rumors about those non-stick pans not being good. I actually had some cast iron pans.
Those are the way to go.
In my storage that
You season them?
never used
they're not seasoned.
in so much years, but now I'm seeing all this. I'm like, yo, I gotta put my stuff. I gotta get my stuff together, man. I gotta get myself together.
And then, like, I just keep a basket full of all, like, the spices and stuff.
Okay, oh,
And, like, that's where I keep the pan and whatever else. And then cooler with ice. And a way to get free ice consistently is you just go into the gas station and you say, like, hey, is the ice free if you bring your own cup? And if they say yes, then I'll have, like, one of my Tupperwares. I'll just fill up a couple times and toss it in there. You know, you only need, like, 2 or 3 cups of water, 2 or 3 cups of ice a day to keep it from like melting constantly. But it's kind of like a freeloading way to do it. But like, I don't know, the gas stations give out the free ice, and right now I'm doing like a $100 challenge for the videos. So I'm trying to see how long I can last on $100. So we're on day 12, and I've only spent like $50.
Oh,
yeah. So 2 weeks, $50. Like that's it.
Just gas and that's it.
Just gas, and I calculate the membership for Planet Fitness, and it's 70 cents a day if you pay $20 a month. So 70 cents a day on that, gas, and then all the food I've bought so far. And I just buy chicken and rice and eggs and cheese. That's it. And bread. Chicken and rice, eggs, cheese, and bread. Cheapest way to live, honestly.
Yes, sir. Let me show you. I actually, you might like this, but I picked this up on my way when I was on my way.
Let's go.
From Pensacola. I mean, not Pensacola. I'm kind of rough right now.
Oh, what is that?
This right here, my man.
Oh, I need one of those so bad. How much was that?
I picked this up at Costco. They had a special going on, which was like 2 weeks ago. I stopped, I think it was the Costco in, which Costco was I think in Pensacola.
Pensacola?
Not Pensacola, no, this is Pensacola.
So
no,
Miami? Miami?
Jacksonville.
Oh, Jacksonville.
Jacksonville Costco. I stopped there to get some gas, and you know, some crazy weird reason, something told me go inside and just take a stroll. Because what I was doing was every couple hours when I did like the extra long trips, I would stop somewhere and let the car cool off and just, you know, browse around.
Oh, you got a cat too?
Yeah, I got my road dog, my cat with me.
Road dog. Hey, kitty.
My man, Tiger. Hey,
Let's enjoy the sunset. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. It was pretty interesting meeting Ryan. But if you guys want to follow my kick.com/Michael Hickey, that's where I stream every day.